Well, the FDA releasing new information about the COVID-19 vaccine and also ruling on emergency use of the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine. Local practices are gearing up to receive and administer the first doses.
Here in the Upstate, doctors say they're making sure their practices are fully staffed so they're ready to go when they receive that first batch of vaccines.
Matt Kaufax live with us this afternoon with more.
Yeah, guys, well, doctors here tell me they are absolutely thrilled to be getting the vaccine very soon. They say they are doing one of two things right now, and that's they are making final determinations, I should say, on who is going to receive the first doses and making sure they have compatible equipment to safely store these doses as well. Now, as all of this is happening, COVID-19 cases are on the rise. Dr. Ann Mead with Brio says COVID-19 testing has risen at least 50% in the last couple of weeks to months here in their practice, with positivity rates surging as the weather gets colder. She tells me that with this increase in testing and cases, they're realizing the vaccine cannot come soon enough. She says here at Brio Internal Medicine, they already have enough trained staff in place, but knows there are other practices in the medical community who are, as we speak, hiring additional staff like nurse practitioners trained in administering vaccines so they can get the ball rolling on all of this. She says she expects the first doses to be available in Greenville County in just 1 to 2 weeks.
Don't know the specific numbers right now. Phase 1 will be for hospital employees, obviously those who are in close contact with patients, who they are treating those patients, and then maybe nursing homes. Then next would be our high-risk patients. So they're going to roll it out in phases, and we'll get more vaccines at each phase.
The state's immunization director, and we mentioned this earlier, says South Carolina is going to get between 200,000 and 300,000 doses before the new year. Meade says she's heard a lot of rumblings about skepticism related to the efficacy and safety of the vaccine, including that it can make you sick, and she wants to assure people that is simply not true and everyone should eventually get it. We're going to touch more on that message from her, as well as other rumblings she's heard creeping up in the community with regard to both COVID-19 testing and the vaccine safety, coming up in our 6 o'clock hour. In Greenville tonight, Matt Kaufax, Fox Carolina V, 5 o'clock news.
Matt, thanks so much. You can always stay connected with Fox Carolina News through our free app.